In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use button blocks in Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a button, connect it to the right place, and style it so it fits your site's design. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the site you want to edit. From the main dashboard, choose Website to enter your site's editor. Navigate to the page or section where you want the button to appear, then click Edit. You'll know you're in the Fluid Engine editor when you see the adjustable grid and drag handles. Hover over the area where you want your button and click Add Block. In the block menu, choose Button. A new button appears on your canvas. You can drag it to position it precisely on the grid and use the handles to resize it. Try to line it up with your content for a clean, consistent layout. Click the button to open its quick options. Select Link to connect the button to a destination. You can paste a full web address or choose an existing page or item on your site from the picker. If you prefer, you can link to a file so visitors can download it directly, or set the button to open an email draft or start a phone call on supported devices. When using an email or phone link, keep it professional and avoid placing personal contact details publicly unless that's your intention. If it's an external site, consider enabling the option to open in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place. Next, choose the button style: primary, secondary, or tertiary. These styles pull from your site's design settings. Primary is usually the most prominent call to action, secondary is supportive, and tertiary is more subtle. Pick the one that matches the importance of the action you want users to take. For deeper control, click the pencil icon to open the full block editor. Here you can update the button label so it's short and action oriented. Think Shop Now, Book a Demo, or Learn More. You can also adjust size, alignment, and width, and in some designs, corner style or spacing. Keep accessibility in mind. Make sure the text has strong color contrast, the label clearly describes the action, and the button is large enough to tap on mobile. When you're finished, click outside the block editor. Your changes are saved automatically. That's it. Your button is live, linked, and styled to match your site. With these steps, you can quickly add clear calls to action anywhere in your Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine layout.